In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted events from Google Calendar. It's not uncommon to accidentally delete an event, but the good news is that it's a simple process to bring it back. So whether it's a meeting you need to reinstate or a social event you unintentionally removed, I've got you covered. Let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll need to navigate to your Google Calendar. Once you're there, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the screen. That's where you'll find a settings icon represented by a familiar gear shape. Go ahead and click on that icon. This action will reveal a drop-down menu offering you various options, but today our focus is on something specific, the trash. In this trash section, you'll find a list of all the events that have been deleted. Think of this as your safety net for those moments when you hit the delete button a bit too hastily. Scroll through this list to locate the event you wish to restore. Once you spot it, you'll see an icon next to the event, aptly labeled Restore. Give that a click. The magic of Google Calendar's trash feature is that it doesn't just delete events permanently upon command. Instead, it provides a recovery window that allows you to retrieve events as long as they haven't been permanently erased. This means you don't have to scramble if you initially overlooked a mistake. Why is this feature so important, you ask? Imagine accidentally deleting an important work meeting or a family gathering. Instead of the hassle of trying to remember the exact details and creating a new event from scratch, within moments you can restore everything just as it was, saving you a lot of time and potential stress. Remember, every click in the trash feature is like a little undo button for your calendar. As soon as you click Restore, the event gets reinstated to its original place and time, ensuring your schedule remains intact. It really is that simple and convenient. I hope this walkthrough helps you feel more confident managing your Google Calendar. With just a few quick steps, you can undo the accidental deletions that might otherwise disrupt your plans. Thanks for tuning in today. If this video was helpful, feel free to check out some of our other guides, and as always, happy scheduling!